Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for returns for you guys to smash that like button, and if it's your first time here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you don't miss a single video and you're up to date on our chart analysis here with 42 Vision. So right now, this stock is Xela Technologies Inc. Xela stock. A lot of people have been requesting this one in the comment section. A lot of people are having their eyes on this one and paying close attention to it, especially after the run it had on the 18th to the 19th and this whole entire volatility going on right now. The question mark is, could it get back to 18 cents, or is it going to go all the way back down towards 12 cents or even lower than that? That's what we're going to discuss here in today's video. We're going to look at the charts, and I'm going to share with you guys what I'm watching on 42 Vision. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities that were mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and receive this edge and clarity over the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, getting connected to our 42 Vision indicator, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning. Both of them gave jumps of 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus. And one of them nearly reached home run territory, and that was TKLF. We caught this one in the pre-market under a bull indicator, full strength, consolidation towards the bell, and full strength on 42 Vision after the bell, giving a highest point of 18% plus within minutes, guys. And apart from that, our other home run was from our SPY bot. It sent out a bear indicator at 10 a.m. And from that moment forward, put options went up 200% plus within hours at the highest point of possibility. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and receive this edge and clarity over the charts with our 42 Vision indicators, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Xela Technologies, Xela, and I usually do not watch stocks that are under $1, but a lot of people have been commenting about this one. A lot of people have eyes on this one, and I wanted to go ahead and share my understanding, not financial advice, just my perspective and opinion alone, and what the charts are showing here on 42 Vision for those that have been asking about it and asking me on what my thoughts are. So here we are with Xela Technology sitting sideways, right between the 16-cent mark and all the way down towards the 12-cent range. Right now it's currently sitting at around 14 cents, and we need to talk about what the charts are showing. I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. So here we are with Xela under a bull indicator today, but you could see a lot of volatility going on. It got that bull indicator on the 15th, lasted on full strength on 42 Vision, up towards the 19th of July, got that first bear indicator in that pullback from 17, 18 cents all the way down to 12 cents, then bounced back up, got a bull indicator, then canceled this morning in the pre-market, and today towards the end of the day, hit a dip area and is transitioning back up. A lot of volatility here in just a few days, but a lot of people have their eyes on this one, especially on the fact that it's holding itself up above 10 cents, right? Because that's where things started to pick up, as you could see based off the chart, and things slightly bottomed out at that area. Now it's holding itself up pretty strong above 12 cents, which is where the support was found on the first pullback after the first run towards almost 18 cents. Now we're in a consolidation area, and this is where it gets very interesting. So on the 4-hour, you could see here, it's been under a bull indicator since way down here at 10 cents, got its first bear indicator at 14 cents, and it's trying to get out from the red borders here of dark green with red borders back into dark green. If this could continue and we could break back above 16 cents or 17 cents, eventually we could probably get a bull indicator in the process that can cancel out this bear indicator. That's the first thing I'm going to be watching here on the 4 hour. Now, on top of that, the 1 day is showing a bull indicator within the volatility, and we have not done a complete transition. A complete transition is all the way back towards bright green, right? It's white with red borders, the dip area. Red with green borders is the beginning of a reversal with some strength. The bull indicator is an extra layer of confirmation, and dark green bars is in between. It doesn't mean it has to go to bright green to complete the transition. Things could go into weakness fairly quickly if it goes from dark green with green borders to dark green with red borders. But right now, we have dark green with green borders, and things are trying to hold up in this area between that 12 to 16 cent range. But when we zoom in, you could see here, right, on the 30-minute, that things have done a complete transition today, going from white with red borders to red with green borders, dark green, and bright green. Now, things are pulling right back down, but still under a bull indicator. I'm going to be watching that very carefully going into Monday and next week. So let's talk about supports and resistance here that I'll be watching. The first thing is the support of the day down here at 13.60 to be exact. 13 cents is going to be important, and below that would be all the way back down here to 12.52, which I would just round that down to 12 cents. Those are the two support levels I'm watching right now to the downside. Now, to the upside, we want to talk about the resistance, and the first resistance is the high of the day here at 15.74. I'll just round that up to 16 cents, and above 16 will be 17 and 18 cents. This is going to be very important within the volatility because the bulls are trying to hold themselves up to not go lower, but as they push higher, they need a breakthrough resistance. If not, the bears can catch on to some of these rejection points, not allowing the bulls to go higher and putting the pressure to bring them right back down. So right now we're under a bull indicator on the 30-minute chart, but when we zoom in and we look at a little bit more volatility, same thing here with the 15-minute, right? So I'm going to be watching both of these, right, as they're both under bull indicators. On the 4 hour, we're still under a bear indicator, and on the 1 day as well. Let's go ahead and pull that up again. You could see that bear indicator. I'm going to be looking for this to get canceled out on the 4 hour chart, and on the 1 day here, it is actually showing a bull indicator, right? So we do not want things to continue going lower, breaking through support levels, turning this one into a bear indicator that can cancel out this bull indicator. Very, very important. I'm going to be watching that on these larger time frames, and on the 15-minute and 30-minute, we have bull indicators, and I'm going to be watching for them to continue to hold true, and as we retest certain resistance levels for this to go higher, or how we retest certain support levels for the bulls to put in pressure and not allow the bears to tear it down, or if we break through it, got to watch it very carefully as these transition into bear indicators and cancel out the last previous bull indicator. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.